Here in this video, I'm going to show you the best sport application or live sport apps on your Firestick that you can find ever on your Firestick downloader. Now, so let's start this video without any further delay. As you can see on the home screen, I have some of the applications listed one by one. The following are the best sport live application that we updated on the Sunday, that is 1st September 2024. So this is latest, and the number one application is Rapid Streams. You can find all of these applications itself on the downloader present on your Fire Stick TV. If you don't have the downloader, you can also download it first. After that, second number is Sportsfire. Third number will be HD Streams. This is one of the leading provider of live sports, music, and news. Our fourth application will be Ocean, and the fifth will be Live Net TV. You can install any one of them and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video.